Good day, learners! Today we're going to discuss how to multiply and divide integers. So we have the same set of rules for multiplication and division. So let's start with multiplication. In multiplying integers with like signs, the product is always positive. And in multiplying integers with unlike signs, the product is always negative. How about in division? In dividing integers with like signs, the quotient is always positive. And in dividing integers with unlike signs, the quotient is always negative. Okay, let's find the product of the following. Again, sa rule kanina sa pagkuha or sa pag-multiply ng integers, tuloy yung tatandaan natin. Pag ang dalawang integers, they are unlike or they have like signs, yung sagot natin or yung product natin will always be positive. At pag yung dalawang integers naman, they have unlike signs, yung product or sagot natin ay magiging negative all the time. Okay. Let's have example number 1. Negative 8 times negative 2. So yung first thing, we need to multiply them as if we are multiplying whole numbers. So 8 times 2, you will have 16. Now, ano kayo yung magiging sign nila? Since they have like signs, therefore their answer is positive. So yung final answer natin ay positive 16. Now, how about number 2? 6 or positive 6 times negative 3. So the answer is 18. But yung signs nila ay unlike, so yung final answer natin would be negative 18. Okay, let's have number 4. Positive 4 times negative 5. So since they have unlike signs, ang answer natin, yung sagot natin would be a negative integer. So 4 times 5 is 20. Unlike signs, so the final answer is negative 20. Okay? How about negative 11 times negative 2? So 11 times 2 is 22. At since they have the same signs or they have like signs, therefore ang sagot natin would be positive 22. Okay, how about negative 20 times negative 2? So like signs, the answer is positive 40. Then 7 and 7 times negative 9. So unlike signs, the answer is negative. So we have 7 times 9, negative 63. And negative 12 times 3. So since unlike signs silang dalawa, so yung sagot natin ay magiging negative. So negative, then 12 times 3, you will have 36. And lastly, we have negative 40 times negative 4. So, since like signs sila, ang sagot natin will always be positive. So, 40 times 4, you will have 160. So, the final answer is positive 160. Okay, let's proceed to division. Now, same lang yung rules ng multiplication at division. Sa division, if we're going to divide integers with like signs, or pareho yung signs nila, yung sagot natin ay palaging positive. Pag yung integers naman na dinivide natin ay may unlike signs or hindi magkaparehas yung signs nila, yung parating sagot natin would be negative. Okay. Suppose we have negative 8 divided by positive 2. So since they have unlike signs, ang sagot natin would be negative. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the final answer is negative 4. Okay. How about negative 36 divided by negative 12? So they have like signs. So automatic yung sagot natin would be positive. Okay. 36 divided by 12 is equal to 3. So the final answer is positive 3. Next, we have 4 divided by negative 2. Okay, unlike signs, kaya yung answer natin ay negative. 4 divided by 2, you will have 2. So the final answer is negative 2. And we have negative 20 divided by 5. So again, unlike signs pa rin. So yung sagot natin would be negative. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So the final answer is negative 4. Number 5, 72 divided by negative 8. Unlike signs, therefore, ang sagot would be negative. So, 72 divided by 8, that is 9. Final answer is negative 9. Number 6, negative 64 divided by positive 6. Again, unlike signs na naman, kaya yung final answer natin would be negative. So, the final answer, 64 divided by 16 is 4. So, you will have negative 4 as your final answer. Okay, number 7, negative 45 divided by negative 5. So, since like signs, or parehas yung signs nila, therefore, ang sagot natin would be positive. So, 45 divided by 5, that is 9. So, the final answer is positive 9. Okay. Lastly, we have negative 100 divided by positive 10. So, unlike signs, so yung sagot natin would be negative. 100 divided by 10 is 10. The final answer is negative 10. Now it's your turn. Try to answer the following questions. And that's a wrap. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Sir Ninyo. And you can also post your math problems in the comment section. And we will do our very best to provide solution to your questions. Because remember, every problem has a solution. At kung math ang problema ninyo, ako ang kaagapay ninyo, ako ang Sir Ninyo.